I'm Andrea, my live bookkeeper. I'm an advanced certified QuickBooks expert with over 20 years of bookkeeping and accounting experience. Sales-related settings. From the gear icon, click Account and Settings. This section of the Sales tab allows you to set defaults such as preferred invoice terms and preferred delivery method, which can still be changed on an actual sales form. Here you specify if there are customer user-entered transaction numbers on sales forms, as well as a service date column. You can also add additional line items such as shipping, discounts, deposit, or tips fields. If you're unsure of a term, click on the question mark icon for a brief definition. You can identify if you want to show the product service column on sales forms, so the drop-down list of products and services is available. This is where you turn on the preference to track invoice and price rules. Inventory tracking and price rules are only available in QuickBooks Plus and Advanced versions. You can turn on late fees, which applies a default charge to overdue invoices, either in the form of a flat fee or a percentage of the remaining balance. You can determine the frequency, if it's upfront, one time, as well as a grace period. Lastly, you can specify if sales tax is to be applied to this charge, but confirm the requirements in your jurisdiction and how it relates to your business. You can create multiple invoices from an estimate with Progress Invoicing, allowing you to keep track of the progress on a job. It's available in all subscription levels of QuickBooks. The Messages setting allows you to create default messages when emailing sales forms. It's a good practice to add your email address to the BCC field and check the box Email me a copy. If you have QuickBooks scheduled to auto-send a sales form, you won't be caught unawares should one get sent prematurely. The Reminders setting also allows you to create default emails when sending reminders. You can set a schedule for automatic invoice reminders here. Online delivery settings relate to emailing your forms and what you want the customer to see. There are options of sending as plain text, HTML, or using an online invoice. There are a couple preferences to choose from regarding statements. Click the question mark if you need a brief definition of your options. For more sales-related preferences, look at the Automation section of the Advanced Settings tab. Pre-fill forms with previously entered content will copy the information from the last transaction using the same customer. Automatically apply credits will apply any available credits to the next invoice. Beware of turning on this or any other automation preference. It may be that you don't want to apply the credit to the very next invoice, but instead to some other or future invoice. Once Automatically Invoice Unbilled Activity is turned on, you then choose one of the following automation options. In addition, you specify a schedule regarding how often and when this automation function runs. You need to understand the ramifications of the automation preferences to know if they make sense for you and your business. If you have problems with accounts receivable, check these settings. I'm Andrea, my live bookkeeper. Check the description box below for special offers and links, including one to the free QuickBooks Online test drive account. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, or share.